Welcome back to another video. Today I will be introducing you to some skincare. What can you use it for? Ingredients, brands that I like, multiple things. Let's get right into it. I'm going to start with hair products, and one of them, the famous Fino Japanese, the conditioner, and this one is the shampoo. It's the same, just this one has red and this one has white. In the back, this one is black and this one is red. Combined with them, this is the hair mask. The packaging of the collection pretty much is the same. And this one is the hair serum. What I've been using from them is the hair mask and the hair serum. These two combined together after the shower. Honestly, my hair now feels so soft. It's from these two products. You know this one, 3 people ordered from it. My friend's sister, she's using it, told me that her friends, they tried it from her and they loved it. Ordered from it too. Actually, this one is for one of them. These two are amazing. Sadly, this one doesn't really go with my face because I have acne prone skin, so I go to the Purito one. This is the 345 famous cream and this is the Purito. I'm not sure if the Purito is as famous as the 345 cream, but this one is my savior. Both of them, they heal the skin barrier and they give you a glow and hydration that will last you all day. Even if you wash your face multiple times a day, you will still feel the hydration in your skin. They will heal your skin barrier and helps clear out the dark spots in your skin. Nabuzine, vitamin C plus niacinamide. They go with their serum. It's vitamin C and niacinamide. Clears dark spots, closes your pores. One thing that you need to use before this is either exfoliation, like a really good exfoliation, which you can use the mixed sunbeam essence, or you use something with salicylic acid. New one for myself. I opened the package, didn't use it yet, because I still have some of the Anwa TXA plus niacinamide. They do the same thing. They're both amazing products and they are like in a competition. I would use one after another just for my skin not to get used to it, and I keep changing. Work wonders for dark spots. You've seen my old videos. You can spot the difference between my skin back then and now. Even like 3 months ago, my skin was horrible. As we are talking about toner pads, I will finish by these ones from Medicube, then we go for toners. Zero Pore Toner Pad. It has niacinamide. It's great. It's going viral on TikTok actually. Something about Medicube. Sometimes like I adore their products and sometimes I like it. In this one, I adore. This one, I like it. This one already comes with the liquid inside the toner pads. It's a great product, gives you amazing results, but this is mine, so I'm going to open it and show you. So this is the toner pad. You can see how gentle this one is. It exfoliates your face in a gentle way. All of the toner pads, they do the same thing, but what I am adoring about this, it comes with a liquid on the side. You use it as a normal toner, or you can put it in here and you use it as a toner pad. I think that's amazing. I've been trying to film this video for the past week. I am so lazy and I am so busy. So I'm really hoping you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe if you're new. Put a comment and a like. Thank you so much in advance. It's glass. Soft toners are plastic. Pure Tear toner. My sister uses this one. She told me that she loves it. It's soothing, moisturizing. It's like Cicaplast. You know, when you put Cicaplast on your face, it gives you hydration and calms your skin down. And that's the same thing. So I think if we use this one, then we use Cicaplast on top of it. Cicaplast Centella sunscreen. I have the most hydrated skin, plus Cicaplast helps you clear your acne spots. We started talking about acne spots. One on social media, a competition with the Anwa TXA and the numbers in vitamin C. I think this one cannot compete with them. This is more of a calming ampoule, Centella asiatica, that will soothe your skin and reduce the dark spots if they are new. This is my personal opinion. This one is Centella ampoule 2, and this one will give you a smooth skin. This one is calming and hydrating. It will give you a smooth skin. The other one that I was talking about, it gives you a smooth, glowy skin. That's the only difference between both of them. Next is sunscreen. My 2 favorite sunscreens. Both of them, they give you hydration. With time, they will heal your dark spots because this one has probiotics and this one has Cicaplast. In both of them, they have SPF 50 PA++. I have a product here that I highly recommend. I've mentioned it since I started my YouTube channel. This one saved my skin on the flights. A disclaimer, come at me, I'm using my own products. It's a hypochlorous acid spray. This one will take all the bacteria out from your face. Like if you are working and you don't wash your face and you have loads of bacteria, you just need to use this one so your acne don't get inflamed. If you're a flight attendant and you're watching me, I'm sure you will relate. When I'm in the crew rest compartment, enter with nothing on my face, I come out with 3 to 4 pimples, minimum. So I found a better solution, a cheaper solution, because this one is quite expensive. Hypochlorous acid from Medicube, oil cleansers and balm. I have these two, Medicube and Scintilla. It will help you clean your pores and close them. This one will help you clean your pores. The utility for a cleansing oil clears your makeup and clears your pores. And this one is calming. It always depends on your skin type which one you want to use. This one to clean your pores and close it. This one to clean your pores and calm it. This is the smoothest and the smartest cleansing balm. Let me grab mine so I show you. This is my layover bag and I use this one for my layover. I swear Dr. Althea is living in another world. And Dr. Althea is the same brand for the 345 creams. So guys, you can trust this one. Works so well, smells like nothing, and look at this. You can just scoop it out. You don't have to put your hands inside of it and you'll just get the perfect amount that you can use. Look at that. Anyways, I'm putting this one back in the cube and putting it back in my layover bag. Now that we talked about oil cleansers and balms, you need to use a water-based cleanser after it. A water-based cleanser for pores, you can use it daily. A water-based cleanser to hydrate and calm your skin. One good thing about cleansers from Korean brands or Japanese brands, they don't strip your face from all the oils. They leave the essential oils in your face and you still feel that hydration. Retinol, this for eyes and this is for face and body. This one you can use it also on your body, and for me, drop this and buy this. More of a quantity, but this one is so practical. You can use it here, you can use it on your hands, you can use it under your eyes. It's 4%. This is from Seoul 1988, and the great one too is from Silimax. An amazing one too is from Marion May. These three are my favorites, ingredient-wise, using-wise. The tubes, so practical, and they have retinol, not retinol, which will get into your skin 10 times higher, and it's less irritating. So it's stronger and it gives you a less of an irritation than retinol. I've been trying to get my hands on these for the longest time. Of course, all of you know Sleeping Wrapping Mask from Medicube. This is the mask that you peel off in the morning. You just let it sit on your face for 15 minutes, then you can sleep peacefully and it's not going to smudge anywhere. This one with collagen. If you are 25, it's time for you to start taking collagen. This is the second edition of the wrapping mask. It's with kojic acid and turmeric. It eliminates dark spots. This is with pidiaren. Said pidiaren is actually taken from a salmon sperm, or Medicube they take it from a type of flower, and it gives you firming effect, lifting effect. You will always stay young. 3 main things you use for anti-aging: retinol, pidiaren and collagen. If you start including these 3 things in your daily routine from now, girl, you're winning. I love you so much, and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below.